Hello! I'm testing Tasty's perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of bread flour, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm sifting the dry ingredients to remove the chunks in the flour. Set that aside and then melt or brown 1 cup of unsalted butter in a pot or a pan. Make sure to keep stirring so the butter doesn't burn. After the butter browns, add it to a measuring cup. It should be a little less than 1 cup. Add water until the mixture reaches the 1 cup mark. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of dark brown sugar, ½ cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon espresso powder, and the brown butter mixture from before. I'm mixing it with an electric mixer until combined. Then add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and mix once again. Now, slowly add the dry ingredients mixture that was sifted at the very beginning. I'm combining it in 3 parts to prevent flour from spilling out of the bowl. Now it's time to add the toppings. Add a ½ cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 5 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. Using a wooden spoon or spatula, fold the chocolate chips and the chunks into the dough. Scoop the cookies onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet in 3 tablespoon-sized balls. I'm using a cookie scooper, but you can also just use your hands. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 15 minutes. The cookies should be a nice golden brown. Let the cookies cool, preferably on a rack. This will let the cookies finish cooking. In my opinion, these cookies lived up to the hype. They were extra chewy, salty sweet, and very chocolatey.